you are welcome to Simple Online Mathematics class. Today we are going to look at undefined fraction. If you look at what we have on the board, we say a fraction is said to be undefined if the divisor, the denominator is what? 0, i.e. nx over ds is undefined if ds is equal to 0. What this statement means is this: when we are asked to look for an undefined fraction, it means we are making use of only the denominator, where the denominator is what? Equal to 0. Remember in our previous lesson we did fraction equal to 0, and we said that a fraction is equal to 0 if the numerator is equal to 0. So now we want to look at undefined fraction. So the difference between the undefined fraction and fraction equal to 0 is this: in fraction equal to 0, we are making use of the numerator, where the numerator is equal to 0. For in undefined fraction, we are making use of the denominator, where the denominator is being equated to what? 0. So we are going to use that explanation to solve the following example we have on the board. We said example 1, we have find the value of x for which the following fraction is undefined. So we are going to solve these following examples using our explanation. So let's go. The first one we have here, now we are going to look at this example. The first one we have here is what? X squared minus 25 all over x squared minus 9x plus 20. In this example 1, which is A, we are going to make use of only the denominator. Remember I told you that when you are solving for undefined fraction, you are making use of the denominator. So now you can see this is our denominator here. That is what we have here. I want to start with example A. So we have what? X squared minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. You can see now that we have arrived. We are going to make use of factorization method in solving this. So now we are going to use, for us to solve factorization method, as I said earlier, we multiply the first and the last number. When we multiply the first and last number, we look for the two products of the number, that when you add it, it will give you the middle number. So now we are going to look, for example, have what? X squared times 20 will give us what? 20x squared. Then when you multiply the first and the last number, it will give us this. It will give us the middle number. We have so many numbers that when we multiply it will give us 20. For example, 10 times 2 will give us what? 20. Then also 5 times 4 will give us 20. 1 times 20 will give us 20. So among these two products now, we are going to look at the one we are going to make use of, that when you add it, well, it's going to give us the middle number. So now we have what? 10 times 2 to give us 20. 10 plus 2 will give us what? 12. 5